My name is Luisa Mestroni, and I work as a cardiovascular geneticist and cardiologist at the University of Colorado Health Sciences Center in Denver, Colorado. And I have the pleasure to be involved in the International Academy of Sciences 23rd edition here in Boston in 2018. It has been a very exciting meeting, and I have the pleasure also discussing the relevance of genetics in dilated cardiomyopathy. What we in particular discussed was the importance of genetics in the management of this disease nowadays, and how personalized medicine can have impact in treatment and modifying the outcome of our patient. Many new knowledges have been obtained in gene discovery, in managing patients that have particular gene like the lamin gene or the titin gene, and finally we discussed how important it is to have a skilled, trained group of geneticists and genetic counselors together with the cardiologist to manage this patient, and how research is moving now toward large international efforts to get the answer that still are pending.
Okay. That was 2 minutes. Is there anything you want to add, or?
Let me think about that.
Okay.
Right.
Whenever you're ready.
We also mentioned some new technologies that have really advanced the field in the last few years. One of them is to use induced pluripotent stem cells that are unique human models to study the disease and the phenotype of our patient in vitro. The other major breakthrough in the field is the use of so-called omics, so for instance transcriptome, where we study the gene expression of all the genes expressed in the hearts of our patients. And of course this can bring further information and answers to problems that are still unresolved, like the discovery of novel drugs in particular.